Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. I'm collaborating with one of my favorite cooking channels, Smoking and Grilling with AB. So after watching my video, head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB to see what he's preparing this Soul Food Sunday. Also, don't forget to check the hashtag Soul Food Sunday to see what other great channels are cooking up today. Today, I'll be making smothered pork chops. You will need 3 to 4 pork chops, 1 onion, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of chicken stock, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and vegetable oil for frying. Generously season your chops with salt and pepper. Now lightly coat your chops with flour, then place them on a wire rack. Using medium heat, bring your oil to temperature, then fry your chops for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove them from the oil, then set them aside until later. After removing most of the oil from your pan, now saute your onions. Allow your onions to cook for about 10 minutes or until they just begin to caramelize. After 10 minutes, remove your onion from the pan and set them aside. Now melt your butter. Add the flour, then whisk until it achieves a golden light color. Slowly add the chicken broth and continue to mix. Now season with the remaining salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Now bring the gravy to a light simmer, then return the onion and pork chops to the pan. Cover and allow your chops to cook for 2 hours. After 2 hours, they are ready to serve. If you're looking for a recipe for tender and delicious pork chops, then you must give this recipe a try. Don't forget to search the hashtag Soul Food Sunday to see what other great channels have prepared, and also head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB to see what he's cooking up this Soul Food Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello.